whatever we will teach in the online class. Sit calmly. Don't get distract yourself. Okay? Don't get distract yourself. Keep all your things ready like books. Okay? Your pencil box, the water bottle next to you, and whatever essential like eraser, mender, and all your books. And sit calmly in front of the mobile, and then you watch the online class. Okay, children, don't get distracted because you need, it is the time to learn something. Yes, no? Always you have to learn new things. Yes? Yes. We learn some good things about our daily routines, good values, good greetings, and the humanities, honesties, everything. As usual, no? With that, how we can be healthy by doing the yoga and exercise. Correct? No? You all learned, no? All these things? Yes. Then what else? Yes. Correct. The how we about our how we can build our behavior. Correct? No? Yes. Yes. Okay. Today, from yesterday, I have started the revision of the first sem. Correct? No? Today of the revision of the English. Today, I am going to revise you everything what we did in our Hindi. First, we will go to Hindi, then we will go to maths. First one was Hindi. Till now, what we learned? Say Anar, An, Ik, Easy, okay, this is Ik, this is Inam. Yes? Inam, Easy, Ik, Ruse, Rishi. A, I, U, U. Sorry children, 1 second. I got confusion. Okay. A, I, U. U say Ullu. U say Un. Okay. Next is R. R say Rishi. Okay. A, I, U, Ru. R say Rishi. A say Ek. A say Enak. Correct, no? A say A say Enak. Then O say Okali. Till this we learnt in Hindi. Correct, no? A say Anar, A say Am, E say Ina, E say Ik, U say Ullu, U say Un, Ru say Rushi, A say Ek, A say Enak, O say Okali. Correct? Yes? Yes, this we learnt in Hindi. Okay, children, this is our revision class. What you have to do? You have to complete all the pages in the Hindi practice book till here. Okay? In the Hindi alphabet book, you need to complete all the pages till O. O means It's a page number 20 and 21. Okay, page number 21. Till this you need to finish all the pages of Hindi. Okay, now we are moving to the next one, that is our maths class. Okay, maths revision. Till now, what and all we learned in the maths, I am going to revise the same thing. What and all you learned? Can you rememberize yourself? Yes? Yes, you can brush it up. What and all we learned? Numbers, number names, addition, subtraction, missing numbers. Then what else? After, before, between numbers. Then base, half. What is the difference between empty and half? Then what else? The shapes, prepositions of the object. Correct, no? Today one by one we will go through that. The first one is shapes. Okay, what and all you learnt in shapes? This is a circle. This is triangle. Okay, I'll write one by one. This is a square. And the last one is rectangle. Okay, this is the shapes you learnt now. The first one is a circle. Circle, it is a long curve. There is no edges in the circle. Next one is triangle. In the triangle, there are three edges, three corners, one in a straight line and two comparison join the one point. There are three sides in a triangle and three corners, three angles. Okay. Next one is our square. All the four sides are same. All four sides of the square is same. Okay. This is a square. The square has four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four corners. Okay. Next one is rectangle. In the rectangle, it is also having four sides, but two sides are equal. Okay. You can turn the rectangle like this also, like this also. It's a long rectangle. It is a horizontal rectangle. Both the sides are same. Okay, this is a rectangle. See, with this we can do some activities. One by one I will show to you. By using a circle, you can do some smiley faces like this. Okay, by using a circle, you can make some smiley faces like this. Okay, next one is our triangle. By triangle, you can make some funny activities like this. And you can make some fish also. Okay, with your triangle. Okay, it's not a triangle, it's a square. Okay, children, square. You can make this with a triangle also. Okay, with a square, you can make a carom board and a chess board. Okay, with the square, you can make a carom board and a chess board. Okay. Next one is your, what is this? This is your mobile. Rectangle, I told you, no, rectangle you can do like this also, like this also. It's your LED TV, it's your rectangle mobile. Okay, children, like this, using the shapes, you can make anything. Okay, I have done one small scenery also for you. Can you see here? I have done some hut. and the leaves. Okay, in this the triangle is a house. Okay, one cap I done. This is a triangle, and this is a square, this is rectangle, and this is two squares. Okay, this I have done using all the shapes. These all are small ovals, and this is one big circle, sun. The flower also I did here, small triangle, one straight rectangle, and one small circle. This is called a flower. Like this you can do anything. Okay, anything you can do. Do one fun activity like this and show to me. Okay, after we are completing, when we will meet in the Zoom. Okay, you can do like this any of the one activity. Okay. Yes, either you can do in a chart paper or you can do same thing in your drawing book also. You can cut all the shapes and you can do any scenery or anything, and you can draw your imaginary sky. Okay, in that you can find so many shapes: star shape, circle shape, half moon shape. Everything is there, no? Like that you can do. Okay, children, this is your shapes. Next, we are moving to the next part, that is the preposition of place. Okay, I am taking one tree and one cat. Okay, the cat is here. Okay, can you see the cat in all the pictures? This is cat is where? Near to the tree. The cat is near to the tree. Here, where is the cat? Cat is below tree. Okay, here, where is the cat? It is on the tree. This is, where is the cat here? Far from the tree. See, here we are telling the position of the cat to the tree. The tree is not moving anywhere. Tree is in the same place. Only the cat is moving here and there. For that, I already showed you one example using the same box with a ball. Today, I am showing the same example with one man. Okay. Now, can you see the man? Where is the man? Next to the box. Here, where is the man? Man is inside the box. Okay. Now, where is the man? Man is on the box. Where is the man? Man is below the box. Here, where is the man? Man is far from the box. Where is the man? Man is behind the box. Behind the box, you cannot see the man. Correct, no? The man is behind the behind the box. The position of the box is same. Only the man is rounding here and there. Okay, this is called the position. Now I will show you the box. Where is the? You can keep like this. You can see the box is between the two men. Okay, two men. Yes. Yes, this is the preposition. Now we are moving to next thing, that is our numbers. These all are your revision numbers ten, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, this is the numbers what we learned from 1 to 50. Okay, with the numbers what we did, the missing numbers. Okay, I'll do the missing numbers in years only. Missing number. Okay, if I write here 25, which number is missing here? 26. Okay, 25, 26, 27. Okay, like that. If I write missing here 41, the missing number is 41, 42. 41, 42, 43. This is the missing number. Now we will go to before. Okay, before number 4, 32, the before number will be what? Next, for 16, the before number will be what? For 32, go to 32. Before 32, what is that? 31. We have to write 31. Okay, for 16, which number is there? 15. Before number is 15. Okay, 32 before number is 31. For 16, the before number is 15. Okay, now we will go to after. "26" after. Okay, then 49 after. Okay, 26 after 26 what will comes? 27. Can you tell me after 49 what will comes? Yes, this is 50. Okay, 50. After 49, 50. Okay. Now before after we will go to between. For 7 and 8, the between number, you go through this. 7 and 8, the between number is 8. Here to write 8. Okay, this is between. Okay, for 23 dash 25. Okay, 23 24 year. Okay, 23, 24, 25. This is called the between number. Okay, we learned missing numbers and the before number, after number and between numbers. Okay, I showed you some examples with the example of we take the spoon as a example of with the scale and pencil. The pencil is before the spoon. The scale is after the spoon. Between the scale and pencil, the spoon is there. Okay, this is the between, this is before and this is after. Yes, children, you all understood now? Yes? Yes, like that I will show you in the chalk ice cream stick also I can show you. Okay, I have taken 3 colors ice cream sticks. Okay, can you see? In this, the red will be in the middle, green and blue. Can you tell me which color stick is before the red? Yes, the blue color is before the red stick and green color is after the red stick. Okay? Okay, blue color is before the red stick and green color is after the red stick. Okay? Okay, children. Now we can do some counting also. You can do the colorful like this, colorful ice cream sticks, and you can do the counting. Okay? Yes. Okay, now we are moving to next thing, that is our number names. Okay, I will write here only the number names. We learned now 1 to 50 number names. I am taking only random things. You have to learn everything. Only I am taking some random. If I take 42, the F-O-R-T-Y, 42. This is the number names. 1 to 50. Okay. Next is 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 50. F-I-F-T-Y. Okay. Next, I'll take it as a 27. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 27. Like this, you need to learn the number names from 1 to 50. You can also do the same activity as Shweta ma'am did. How you can do? You can pick any number, your favorite numbers, and you can learn the spelling of the number name. Okay? That you have to do it wrong. Okay, now we are going to next thing, that is our ascending and descending order. Okay? Ascending is nothing but increasing order. Okay, increasing order is nothing but forward. I'll show you how it is. Okay, increasing order is like this. Okay. If I take only 1 to 10 as an example, and if I write 6, 2, 1, 7, 4. Okay. The first number in this line is 1. The next one is, can you see? Yes, it's a 2. Next one is 3 is there? No. 4 is there? Yes, 4 is there. 4. Then 5 is there? No. 6 is there? 1, 2, 4, 6. Then last number is 7. Okay, like this it is increasing. The smallest to biggest. Okay, what is the increasing? It's a smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. Okay, this is a ascending order. Smallest to biggest. Okay, descending order is nothing but decreasing order. Okay, we will take the example of 31 to 40. I will take the example 31 to 40. Okay, in that I write some numbers here. The question is 37, 31, 34, 38. In the descending order, you need to go from backward. How it will be? Like this. Okay. From year to year, no, from year to year, like this you have to go. Backward counting. It's nothing but a backward counting. Okay, it's nothing but a backward counting. How you have to go? You have to see the biggest number here. What is that? 40. 40 is there? Yes, 40 is there. Before 40, what will come? 39. 39 is there? No. 38? Yes, it is there. 38. Before 38, 37. 37 is there? Yes, 37 is there. Okay. Then 37, 36 is there? No. 35? No. 34? Yes, it is there. 34. Then 33, it is not there. 32, it is not there. The last one is 31. Yes, 31 is there. Okay, this is descending order is nothing but a biggest to smallest. Okay, it is nothing but a backward counting. See here from 40 to 31 we have written there. There 1 to ascending order is required. Okay, ascending order, increasing order is required. Okay, yes. Now we will go to addition. Okay. Okay, I am revising again. Ascending order is increasing order. Okay, descending order is decreasing order. It will be like a backward. Now we are going to addition. Two types of addition we learned. First one I am taking dots. Addition using dots. I showed you some card, no? These cards. Yes. Can you see? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Like this you can make the flashcards and make it ready. Okay. Using this you will do some additions with the dots. Like 5 plus 3. Now we have to make one box. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. How many have to take here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I need to count all the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total Yes, this I'll show with the card also. Okay. See, the first one is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, that is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Can you see? 5 plus 3 is 8. The answer is 8. Okay, this is the addition using the dots. Yes? Yes. We did one ladybug activity also like this. The feathers, we did the different numbers of feathers like this. Okay, you can do the activity. This also for the addition using the dots. Next one is addition using number strips. I'll do here. Okay. I'm taking the same example. Okay, 5 plus 3. How you do? Okay, first we have to draw one number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 10. Okay, number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 10. I take the number line. How will you do the addition on this? Okay. How will you do the addition on this? How will you do the addition on this? Can you tell me? Yes. First, you need to recognize the first number on the line. That is 5. You need to circle there. From 5, it is an addition. You need to move forward. How you will jump? 1, 2, 3. Correct, no? 3 times. Jump. 3 times. Forward. Jump 3 times forward. Okay. 5, 6, 7 and 8. The answer will be 8. The answer will be 8. Okay. Like that we did some problems for the same. Okay. Now we are going to the next one, that is our subtraction. Using number strips. Okay, using number strips. I'll take one example like 6 minus 3. You all know, no children? This is the subtraction symbol. Okay, this is the subtraction. No, you should not put like this because it will become a some other sign. This is the subtraction. For the subtraction, one straight line. Okay, slipping line. For the addition, the symbol is 1 adding plus, in the sense one slipping line, and one standing line. Okay, subtraction 6 minus 3. What you have to do? You have to write the number line first. Okay. Zero, one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, number line 10. In that you need to recognize the number 6 on the number line. What is the subtraction? What is nothing but a backward? Correct, no? Subtraction is nothing but a backward. How you have to jump? Backward. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ 6 ಆಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 3 ಆಪಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಜಂಪ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್. 1 2 and 3. The number is answer is 3. Jump jump 3 times backward. Okay, you need to jump 3 times backward. Yes, using number steps. Now doing subtraction using number steps. 6 minus 3 is equal divided by 3. Okay, you can jump 3 times backward. Okay, yes. Okay, this is a subtraction. Now we are going to next one, addition. We learned the addition and subtraction using the number steps. Children, you need to practice lot and lot at home. Just revising everything. What and all we done till today, all the math sessions. Okay, next one is our patterns. Next one is our patterns. What we learned? AB, AB. For example, what is the pattern? If I draw pencil and one eraser, pencil, next what should come? The eraser. Now it should come the eraser. Like this is the pattern. I'll show with another one example. Tree, leaf. Tree, leaf. Next what I have to draw? I have to draw one tree. Next one is leaf. Okay, this is the pattern of AB. If I write A here, this should be B. Next A should come, B should come after B, A should come, then again B. AB, AB pattern. Okay, this is the maths revision of patterns. Now we are moving to a pairs. Pairs is nothing but set of 2. Okay, like 2 leaf, 2 flowers, 2 two houses. Okay, two houses like that. Set of two is called a pairs. I'll show you some sticks. Okay, colored ice cream sticks. These both are in same color. So this is a pair. Okay, these two are in same color. So this is a pair. Okay. These two are in same color. So this is a pair. Like that I have two pencils. This is a pair. We can't pair a pencil and a scale together. This is not a pair. The pencil should always pair with the pencil only. This is the pair. Okay? Okay children, you all learnt about the pairs now? Yes. Now the last one, maybe our last thing is the number skill, that is full and half. What is half? If a circle is like this, if you cut like this, this is half, and this is also half. Okay, I'll show you now on that day the half and half, the circle like I'll show you again. Okay, if you cut a circle into, this is one circle. Can you see? This is one circle. If I cut like this, it's a half a circle, half a circle. If it is a circle, if you cut like this, it's half a circle, half a circle. This is half, this is half. It should become one by joining the two halves. Okay, this is called a half. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 1 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It becomes the 1. Okay? Yes? Yes. Okay. This is called a half. Half, you can see the water also. Then you can see in the tub also. So many examples you can find in your daily basis. Okay, children, now I am giving you the homework regarding all the divisions of the maths. I know children, it's a heavy homework, but you have to do, you will get a time of 3 days. You can do it at home calmly. Okay, what are the homeworks? First homework is and draw two pictures for each shape. Okay, write shapes or draw shapes and its names, and draw two pictures for each shape. I told you, no, for circle you can draw one sun and also moon, or you can draw one sun or clock, like that. For square you can draw one chessboard and carom board, or anything square items. For rectangle you can draw one what, blackboard also, or your LED TV or a mobile. You can try to draw the objects which you can see around you. Okay. The second homework is take any two pictures as an example and show some example. You can take anything. How you have to show me? Like if I take I showed you no tree and ball. Tree and sun I have taken here. You have to show me the place of the sun. The tree will be remain there. The sun will go around, right? In here, far, behind, front, in front of, upon, below, like that. Okay? You can take any example. You need to draw a picture. Okay? Take any two pictures as an example and show the preposition place. Okay? Places of what? Under, near, behind, between, up, down. Okay, up and down. Like this, you need to show me the places. Okay, the third homework is far. Okay, the third homework is right, and also the number name. Okay, yes. Okay, number names. I'll give you some numbers. Don't write all the number names. I'll give you some number names for 42, 33, 19, 8, 27, 22, 12, 34, 46, 50. Only you need to write the number names for the given numbers. Okay? Write the number 1 to 50 and also the number name for the given numbers. The fourth homework is show 4 examples for patterns using 6 pictures in each line. Patterns. Show 4 examples for patterns. Okay, how you can draw? Example like this, you have to draw 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 you have to draw. Okay, take the 6 pictures as an example. It should be 6 pictures. Okay, the fifth one is for half. Show and draw a pot, tub, glass filled with water and filled half. Okay, you need to draw a pot, tub and a glass. 2 glasses you have to draw. One is filled with water and one is filled with half. That you have to draw. All the 3 things. Pot also, tub also and glass also. Okay. The 6th homework is for pairs. Draw a tree and show flowers, birds, leaves, fruits, birds in pair. You have to show two flowers, two birds, two leaves, fruits, birds in pairs. You can draw flowers in different colors also. Two red flowers, two yellow flowers, two blue flowers, like that you can draw. Only you need to show it in a pairs. Okay. The seventh homework is, okay, these are funny activities you can do at home. No, you don't think that it is very much, it's little much. If you sit for 2 hours, you can finish it off. Okay, children? Yes, the next homework is ascending I know that only you are getting bored about doing the homework, so I am giving the homework for your mama also. She will give 3 sums. Okay, for the ascending order 3 sums, for the descending order 3 sums she will give to you. That you need to arrange it in ascending and descending order. Yes, you ask your mama to give the three particular sum for ascending order and descending order, but the number should be within the 50. Okay, the next homework is additions using number strips. Okay, that is 4 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 7 plus 2. Okay, the last homework is your subtraction. Okay, subtraction 6 minus 2, 7 minus 6, 3 minus 1, 5 minus 2. Okay, you need to do the subtraction using the number line. Okay, you are understood now? This is the homework for today. Then the last one is need to complete all the pending work in your mathematics readiness book, and another one is mathematics workbook. Okay children, hope you all understood today's maths revision and also the Hindi revision. Try to complete all the homework. It will be easy only. Sit for 1 hour so that you can finish it off. Okay children, take care. Bye.